going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you can hear me correctly. Could you join me on the M40? We're actually about to head back to Evolveautomotive to have some light modifications done to the M4. Obviously I filled up my Shell V-Power 99 of course. Daily chores of owning the M4. Fuel is a bitch. Nah, it's actually not that bad. But we are having some light modifications done to the M4 today. We've gone with a full carbon fibre kit, so it's like splitters, side blades, rear spoiler, diffuser. We're also fitting a new steering wheel, and we've also got some custom LLF Car Mats. Before I go, obviously you guys love the Armatrix exhaust, didn't you? So let's give it a little downshift. Should we give it a third? Oh, listen to that! Fucking hell. So yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in a sec. So guys, turn up to Evolve, and look what we got here. Man, like, yo. Since when do you two know each other?
We go a long way back, mate, at least.
Through Shmee, innit?
Yeah,
oh, yeah. Okay, Shmee, yeah.
I'm down here to get a Venturi intake fitted.
Right.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it, mate.
You had it fitted?
I have indeed, yeah. It's just behind you, in fact. I wasn't planning a cover, but after putting all this on and with the strap brace, mate, the plastic cover just looked a bit lame, so so now the cover's on there as well, so I'm all like carboned up. I'm removing the bonnet so people can see it all the time.
And this is a competition, so you got the M3 engine, didn't you?
Yeah, it's the same essential engine as yours.
Yeah.
But yeah,
there's
not
quiet, innit?
the exhaust has been real muffled.
Yeah, you need an Armatrix, mate.
AC Schnitzer wheels.
Yeah.
With some lovely Michelin winter tyres.
And how are they?
Mate, I've only had them on 24 hours, but yesterday this morning was icy, as you know, and I tell you what, mate, the grip levels are just next level.
You are not messing this year.
Ah.
You ain't messing.
I said I've got to keep up with the boss.
Man like Haas.
Good?
Yeah.
Man like Ricky.
The 18.
Calvin was here earlier.
Yeah. I see.
Everyone's here.
Aston, what we saying, man? You lot gonna have lunch, innit? Obviously, I got you a bit late. We're gonna
we're gonna grab some
just gonna fit some carbon. Got the CS bits.
Yeah.
Alcantara wheel, and I've also got some car mats.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if we can fit them, man.
Yeah.
Car mats
that's
a bit beyond his technical ability. You might need hash for that one.
No, but these are Rolls Royce car mats, man. These are not
normal ones.
No, they need to be sewn in. Celebrity status, man.
Yeah, man. People come and ask for autographs,
yeah.
You got the rear diffuser. Yeah. So this bit goes round the back of the exhaust.
Yeah.
So it replaces the plastic bit on the back there. You got the rear spoiler as well, which obviously goes onto the boot. Your side skirts. I think we're probably gonna have to drill some holes, put some self-tappers through and stuff like that to make sure they're secure.
So I was gonna say to you, Aston, sorry to butt in. I've got the M4 CS splitter, but then like these corner splitters, I don't think it's been done before. There's only one car on Instagram. These normally go with the M Performance splitter.
Yeah.
So like I'm not sure how they're going to fit. I don't know if you're going to have to do something custom to get those to fit as well.
Yeah, if we need to, we just modify them up a bit, get them to fit on there.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. So yeah, the CS splitter with the corner splitters.
Yeah.
The mirror covers. You've got your steering wheel as well and the LLF mats.
Yeah. So and what's the process? Is it a long job, pretty quick, or?
Nah, not too bad. I mean the spoiler just sticks on. The rear diffuser, a couple of screws and it just clips in, so that's not too bad. The side skirt's probably been the most lengthy part, so we might have to drill them,
right,
and fit them up. And then the front splitter, modifying that if we need to. You're looking at a couple of hours. It's not too bad.
Ricky living life fast here. Yeah. What's going on? Man like Joe. Easy now. Little drift. Oh yeah, let's hope.
This wheel was sent to me by BN Europe. As you can see, this Alcantara, I've probably seen in many reviews. I always highlight the Alcantara wheel. It just gives you so much more feel. I don't know, it feels like you've got more control over a car. It's really very interesting to see how this is compared to the stock wheel. It is a little bit thicker, I have moaned about the thickness of some of these wheels, but it's not as thick as the M Performance wheel, one with the LED lights. The reason I've gone with the M Performance style diffuser is I just want the car to look factory. I don't want it to like, I mean, like, let's have a look at Imran's. His is like a 3-piece diffuser, so he's got the rear part there which looks really nice. It's poked out a little bit, but then he's got these corner splitters. Main highlight is going to be this M4 CS like gurney flap. Yeah, that's what they call it, a gurney flap, I think. And obviously the M4 CS front splitter. I reckon it's going to look really, really aggressive. And there's only one car, as I said earlier, that I've seen running these corner splitters with the CS style splitter. So personally, I think my M4 is going to look bad. What you doing, man? You squatting down there, bro?
Yeah, Ricky, I love you so much, man.
Fucking slacking on the job.
I'm supervisor now, remember?
Oh yeah.
Hash does all the work.
You got employee, ain't you? Oh, T-boy, yeah?
Nah, he's alright, man. Hash knows what he's doing. Yeah, he really does know what he's doing. No, I'm serious, bro. You're laughing like I'm joking.
No, I know. I was with the day the other day. You know.
Yeah, nah, he is, man. He knows.
Ricky, look at the lights, mate. Look at all the lights.
This guy's Joe's onto me today.
Whoa, look at this button. Look at
Madness,
that.
isn't it?
What? Oh, it's locked. That failed.
What's this gangster rat in run?
Yeah, man.
Shit.
2-pack BE forever.
Well, we need to put some
You're next one. You feel
Elvis on for Joe, man. Click the channel, bro.
Elvis.
Simon and Garfunkel, man. You need some Simon.
I'm more like take that's more my scene, you know. Like.
Take that, Ross.
Oh, I listened to Magic. I was listening to Magic on the way here. I was listening to Magic on the way here. I swear down. Magic chilled as well.
Oh, you need to have some words with him, man. Ricky, what's going on? Do Q&A with Ricky yesterday, and all they were saying was, how long does it take you to grow your beard? How did you grow your beard? They love the beard. Chicken or lamb or mixed? Did I put chicken and lamb in there?
Mixed, mate.
Mixed?
Yeah,
Do you want
mixed.
chips or do you want the...
It's a random bloke with big arms.
Did you remember
And
the
he
woman
comes-
driving?
Yeah, and he
It
has...
was his wife, innit?
Yeah, and I think he has the Koenigsegg and all the factory teams there.
I feel a bit bloated off that, you know. I'm not
know
sure.
who
Chips
it
a bit
was?
too much.
You didn't have chips, did you?
Nah,
No.
I didn't have any bread.
What was the food like then?
Oh,
Food's
mate,
banging. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.5 out of 10.
There you go.
It's about as good as the E Venturi intake.
You two are like, you look the same as well, you know that?
Just the
Like family or something.
version.
Yeah, I'm better looking than him. I've got bigger arms as well when I got my
Having
jacket
this
on.
ball.
Leave me alone, I'm watching this Ricky living life fast bloke.
You uploading, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, actually, now I'm watching me.
Yo!
What's happening?
What's happening? What's happening?
We're
What's
done
happening?
now.
Going
Hey,
home, mate.
you happy with it?
Yeah, of course, man. Fitment was. Chop
It's
me a
black,
hat,
isn't
innit?
it? So
Can I
it
have
helps.
your hat?
Yeah, you can't have
don't
my
have-
hat. This
come
is
on.
my hat.
I want your
It's
one.
got my sweat on it. You're not having. You're gonna eBay it later.
Sweat.
Yeah, because it's black, it looks good because it's like it follows the lines of the car. So yeah, it looks decent.
Yeah, man. Just alright, Hassan. Thank you for today, man.
No worries,
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Wicked, brother.
Take it easy.
And Imran, yeah, catch up with you soon.
See you later, Ricky.
No worries.
Take it easy.
Right, so guys, we have made a quick pit stop. We are in some type of hood somewhere. As you can see, we've got broken down cars. We've got bags of mud. I don't know what is going on, but basically, I just wanted to quickly end this video. Believe it or not, I've actually come back from Belgium. So I've actually got my Pure Turbos stickers. The car's actually putting out about 720 horsepower. Obviously, I wanted to just finalise this video as a few companies have looked after me. So Carbon Parts UK, who supplied this kit. I think I have gone over all of the companies, but if I haven't, all the links will be in the description. So we went with a CS splitter. We went with the M Performance style carbon diffuser. Obviously matches the carbon tips on the Army Tricks. We also went with the carbon side blades. These are similar to the M Performance ones. I don't think they come in carbon from BMW, but these are like a carbon style. They look really cool. And then obviously the front end is the best part, which is the CS front splitter, and then we also got the corner splitters which come with the M Performance splitter, but I've actually just done my own sort of combo. Absolutely transforms the front end. The carbon goes so nice with the black, it's just nice and subtle, exactly how I want this M4 to be. I also did order carbon fibre mirror caps which didn't fit. This is obviously a right hand model. Moving on to the interior, got the Alcantara wheel which was sent to me by BN Europe. Like I said, all the links will be in the description. I've been driving the car for probably about 2 weeks, would I say now, with the Alcantara wheel, and it is a complete transformation. You've all heard me a million times in all these car reviews. Highly recommended to get one of these. It looks sick. It genuinely does transform the experience. Like, you get so much more grip with the level wheel. Your hands easily slip off. With this, you just got like ×2 the grip. You just feel like you can manhandle the car a lot more, and on top of that, it just feels obviously a lot more sportier inside the cabin. It's a little thicker than the stock wheel. There's loads of different variations in these Alcantara. You can have them stitched in yourself, or you can obviously get the genuine M Performance one. Like I said, this was sent off by a company called BN Europe. And then finally, we got these custom LivingLifeFast car mats, which was sent out by a company called Refined. Man, you know what? It sounds a bit cheesy, but mats are definitely a little underrated. Obviously, car mats are just car mats. But I have noticed that they are a lot thicker. So when I've been on longer journeys, I have noticed there's just a bit more spring. And I know it sounds funny, but one of the first things you notice when you jump into a Rolls Royce is the mats. It's so thick, and it just feels so comfortable. Something that's very underrated on a car. And a lot of people have been messaging me saying, am I selling these? But I'm actually not. They were sent out to me. As soon as I open my door, I see LLF, and it's just like, wow, I've just got a completely exclusive M4, man. And obviously it's got the carbon fibre on the edges. But yeah, normal car mats, they tend to like fold up on the edges. These are obviously only a few weeks old now, so yeah, I think that is it really. As I've already mentioned, all of the links will be in the description for all of the stuff that's been put on the car. As always, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'm literally at home right now editing all of these Belgian videos, so just bear with me. And yeah, I'm out. See you later, guys.